Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger you can't message this account in iPhone or any Android. If you're using any iPhone or any Android phone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to send message to any person, you see a message that you cannot send the message to this account. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you have to check if the person has been blocked you. So if you are unable to open the profile of the person, so it means that the person has blocked you and you are unable to send a message to them. If you want to send them a message, you have to request that the person has unblocked you. Once the person has been unblocked you, you will be able to send a message. Otherwise, you are not able to send the message. Or if the account has been deactivated, so you can also cannot send them any message. Or there sometime it might be some privacy settings, so due to privacy reasons you'll not be able to send them a message. Or if there's nothing else, it's just a network issue, you can easily fix that by fixing your network. Very first you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then open your app store here, go for search for messenger app, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your messenger app. If you find trying to update your app, after updating, go back from here, open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. Go for iPhone storage here, and here look for messenger app, and you have to try to offload your app. If you're using any Android phone, you have to try to clear cache files, or you can also try to uninstall your app. After uninstallation, you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstall, your issue must be fixed. If there would be any bug or any malware into your messenger app, it would be fixed in this step. And after doing that, if you're still unable to send them a message, so I recommend you have to try to use a different account to send the message to the person. So after that, your issue must be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.